we will learn how to create a basic calculator using Python that can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. This is a great project for beginners who want to start practicing working with user inputs and basic arithmetic operations. So let's get started. Okay, so step one, what we need to do is we need to accept user input. So first, we will need to accept two numbers as input from the users. We'll use input function to achieve this, and then we'll convert the input to a float using the float function. Okay, and so in step two, we need to perform our math. So okay, we have both of our numbers, and now let's create a sum function or a variable. Next is we need to display our results. So display results. Display answers. Let's print. We're gonna need an F string. To just run the code. So I have 5. We get 10, 0, 25, and 1. And there you go. We've successfully created a basic calculator using Python. This is a great exercise for beginners to practice working with user inputs, math, operations, and formatting strings. So try it out. Maybe you can make it a little bit cooler. And again, subscribe below. Thank you guys so much.